Do you see it? Do you see Manhattan? There it is. This is the Manhattan jacquard sweater that I've been working on. It turned out really nice. Now I'm working on putting in the armhole, attaching the sleeves. I attached one sleeve. I was putting zippers on the sleeves, and basically it looks like crap. I'm having trouble. I feel like there are a few things going wrong here with this armhole and with the zipper. Number one, so actually the zipper is a little bit stretchy. So I got the YKK, I think they're called Soflex, YKK Soflex zippers. They have about 10% stretch or something like that. So they're actually stretchy zippers, and they're really great to use with knitwear, either if you want to do like a zip cardigan or anything, or obviously detachable sleeves. Anything with knitwear, it's good because it has a certain amount of stretch. Not as much a stretch as knit usually does, but that little bit of stretch makes it a little bit more similar to knit. As zippers don't normally have any stretch at all, these also make knit garments more comfortable, and they sort of act more like knit garments. So if this fabric is very stretchy, it's very, very like stretchy, and the armholes actually end up being a little bit stretchy too. So it kind of just blends a little bit better with the whole garment when you use stretchy zippers with knitwear. But there's a lot happening, and there's a lot going wrong in this area right now. I think the few things that are happening are, number one, when I sewed on the zipper to the body armhole, it stretched it out a little bit. So I think actually I need to make the body armhole, it just stretched out too much. So I need to like either make it smaller, like do a really wide straight stitch, and then maybe like bring it in, gather it in just like a little bit. Not enough that you can see it, but gather it in just like a tiny bit, especially along this upper part here. So I think that's one thing. So it's because it's kind of like sticking up a little bit too much. And the second thing that is going wrong is basically just the shape of the sleeve cap. So, and I pretty much, I guess, did this wrong. The sleeve cap, you can kind of see I shaped it like you would a knit, like a really stretchy knit garment, where the top of the cap is actually like totally flat. From here to here, it's completely a flat cap. And I only did shaping from like here to here. And what it's doing is making the sleeve cap look boxy. So even when it's on, you can see there's like these weird these kind of like point areas. It looks like a very structured sleeve. It could almost be really cool if I was like trying to do a structured boxy sleeve. Like if that was what I was going for, it's like almost kind of cool. But since it's an accident and my end client does not desire a sleeve cap and shoulder shape that looks like this, but I like it. I'm going to keep it in mind for future sort of like dramatic garments of like really boxy structured shoulders. But for this garment, we need to get rid of it, basically. So that's the second thing going wrong, is I shaped the sleeve cap wrong. I need to figure out how to fix that without reknitting both sleeves. So I think I might have to kind of shape, like tuck this in and shape it a little bit just by like tucking in, curving it and tucking in these sharp points and then resewing it on. And the last thing I realized too is because there's a zipper on it, it's not going to be, at the moment anyway, you know, you can see it's just a zipper tape on the back side. And if I want this sweater to be reversible, which would be nice, but it would also be a nice feature to have it be reversible, I need to clean it up on the other side. I would need to clean up the zipper tape and that whole area in the armhole so you can wear it both ways. Unfortunately, the zipper is not reversible. Sometimes you can get the zipper pull area that kind of can switch from one side to the other. For the Soflex zippers, they don't have that as an option. You can't get reversible and stretchy for zippers, so that's fine. We just got stretchy. So no reversible zipper either. But yeah, I think I have to figure out how to clean it up on the inside as well so it doesn't look just like a zipper tape if you wear the other side of it. Anyway, this is kind of a whole mess that I still need to figure out. If you have any suggestions on how to fix this mess of an armhole, please let me know. I would love to hear what you think. Any of you experienced sewers or knitters out there. Yeah, otherwise, wish me luck, because this whole thing is just a mess. And I thought I'd share it with you because I really wanted to walk through it out loud because it's just like a lot happening and it's kind of overwhelming in my head. Thanks for watching. Give this video a like if you liked it. Let me know down below in the comments if you know how to fix this or any other words of wisdom you'd like to share. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the little bell icon to be notified when new videos come out. You can also follow me on Instagram at EmilyKellerCO, where I post lots of pictures and other fun stuff of projects and life. All right, see you in the next one. Bye.